Manatee lookout.
Oh hell yeah, just like you're saying, like hitting a deer. Those rocks, Jesus Christ.
Nope.
Just under the water and
He might come up in a little bit.
there's sort of a brown spot.
You see his tail. Up, he's turning.
It's starting to go out that way now. And then the arrow. It's sort of under the
Yep, you can see him over here, Peter. Right here. You see him really clear.
Oh yeah, right down there. You can see him just swimming out. You see the brown dark spot swimming out. Yep. There, he's up at the surface now. He just poked his nose up.
Okay, here's that tree branch.
Look towards that dead branch that's sticking out.
Yeah, he seems to be right in front of it.
Oh yeah?
Just one.
Came into the little cove over here. You see the spot.
Mm-hmm. He got something. I don't know what he got. Stuck his beak down there, moved his head around, tipped it back, and swallowed whatever it was. He's looking for something else now.
Very patient.
Mm-hmm. Yep, he just ate something else again. See? Yep. Yep.
Yep, that's where my dad and I saw one over there.
Yeah. So that's that's where we go to as well.
Yeah.
So from this location, we will actually drive over there. Generally, we have better luck seeing them there. We've seen at any given time 5 or 6 down here, but on the other side, over by the boat launch, definitely see far more. Like we'll see anywhere 10 or 12 at a time over there.
That looks comfy.
Yeah.
I'm tempted to toss some lettuce in for them. Because I always see that at the aquarium. Giving them some lettuce.
Yep.
Any manatees out there today?
There was one down that end.
A lot of times there's actually.
Can't believe they've taken out all of the trees. This used to be full of trees back in here.
We're getting a sample of the fish.
Yeah. You get the earbuds.
So normally we'll see manatees in here. I don't see anything today. Not that that means anything. They could be down under the water. They could be out more towards the canal. Oh, I think there's one right out there. You can see his nose pointing out. See them? There's at least there's at least a couple out there. You can see their noses coming out. There's the back of one. Good afternoon. I almost said morning. When you're on holidays, it's always like morning.
Sure.
Water's up here too.
There he is.
Yeah, there's a few of them. So there's that one, fishy's jumping. So there's that one that you keep seeing the back, and then there's a couple closer in here. Yep, there's one. You can see him poking his nose out. There again. Oh, there.
Come on over here.
So yeah, there's at least 3 here. At the very least, there's 3 here. No, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here. At least 5. So we got 5 manatees, and we got some pelicans out there on the sign.
Mine. Not exactly.
No,
Bird, but
that would be seagulls. Yeah.
I'm gonna go put this sweater on. I have the key.
Do not lose the key. We can't get home otherwise. Because we only brought one.
Those manatees are just like this head, right?
Pardon me? Oh yeah, yeah. There's, oh there, and then we got the dolphins out in the canal.
Oh yeah.
There's the pelican, and then the dolphin was just in front of that. We come down on this side, on the other side, we've only ever seen like 5 or 6 manatee. When we come over here, there's usually at least anywhere from 10 to 15. I've only seen 5 so far today, but
Will they come more visible?
So yes, we are now seeing the dolphins. There's a couple of them out here. One here, and then there's one a little bit further over where the manatees are, where the pelicans floating around the water.
Come on, pop back up.
Oh, now he's back this way. Where will he come back up now? Well, I think he's right out here. You can see where the water's calm on the top.
Yeah.
He's, yep, see? I totally missed it.
Yeah, I know.
But you can see they're swimming around the bottom, so that's where, when the water looks really calm on the top and smooth, that's generally where they are.
That is so cool.
Did that fish jumping scare you?
No, I was like, whoa. No, what was that?
Probably what they call a mullet. From watching the movie Hoot. Yeah, he's out there. He's going around and around circles, chasing the fish. That's what see, there. He just caught a fish. That's what they do. They'll swim around like that. It's very cool.
Because I got a good one. That was neat seeing that.
Mm-hmm. And see, that's just one of the things we enjoy coming down here to do.
Like, I would have experienced that anywhere. Well, that I know of. Anywhere. Searching for another one. Oh, and there's another one right there. That calming water right there.
Yep, so there's two over here now. So that's probably the one that was swimming around down there.
Yeah, see, there he is. I would feel safe around them compared to a shark. I know their teeth are sharp too, but
Oh yes. There's an osprey.
yeah.
Yeah, so now there's two swimming together. Imagine being out there in the kayaks, just watching them swimming around.
That would be cool.
Yep.
I think Kevin and Carolina would enjoy this.
Probably.
We're out near the beach and near water.
So yeah,